Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how you can replace your iPhone 14 Plus front glass, or if you only just want to replace the screen, this video also be helpful. First unscrew the both of the bottom screws. Heat it up your phone little bit. Use the blade and some alcohol to take out your LCD. Don't try to do this process so quickly. Take your time, otherwise you can damage your LCD. You can see with the help of blade and some amount of alcohol we have separated the LCD successfully. Remove the sensor flex. Apply the tape properly. It's my request to subscribe my channel and watch my video. After heat up your LCD, push in your wire carefully. For the training, you can contact me by phone call or send me a message. I will reply you as early as possible. If you live in outside London, we can arrange your accommodation and give you proper training. For the complete training, good training, you need at least two months. Glass is removed. Now it's time to clean the glue. After clean up the glue, clean your LCD properly. Put some amount of alcohol and remove the frame. Frame is separated, LCD is clean. Now time to test the LCD again. It's better to test LCD on each and every after each and every step. You can see all is good. Now we laminate the glass. Put your LCD in bubble removing machine for at least 5 to 7 minutes. Apply glue on frame properly. All is good. Thank you so much for watching my video.